Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. Yes, today I want to show you how to achieve Sego Gele on your head by yourself. As we all know, Sego Gele is more stronger, more harder than Ashoke or any fabric for head wrap. So what I normally do, I squeeze it. You squeeze it to make it softer. Squeeze it so that the material will be soft for you. So the material this style, I divide it 20/80. 20/80, the shorter one is the 20, the longer one is the 80. Guys, you cross it at the back, the shorter one always go up, the 20 always go up. You cross it at the back. Okay, right now we are going to create our fan. You know, we have different type of fan. And if you want to create any head wrap on your head, don't just think you are going to do it perfect. You know, when you want to do it on your head, it's more difficult than if someone is doing it for you or you want to do it for someone. So, but don't give up. Continue to practice. You can do it. So the shorter one, always place it under you raise up your head, you place it under your jaw. That just focus it the way I'm doing it. Place it there and protect it. Okay, this video is a little bit high speed because I already have the original video on my YouTube channel 4 months ago. So I just this season is the season of repost. All my video I repost, I always put them on high speed. Guys, what I'm doing there, I'm just folding the 80 again. Then when you fold it, you raise it and place it on top of the 5 to 6 split you already achieved. So you extend it and start creating your fan. It's easy when you practice. The reason I try to teach everybody different fabric, because many people they like Sego, because like all these Igbo people, cross river people, so all the Shekiri. There are some tribes that don't use Ashoke, they always use Sego. So, but this Sego is easy, you can do it. You can do it when you practice. Just squeeze it for the Sego Gele to be more softer for you. Okay, so create your fan. If you want it bigger, you can cut it big, and if you want it smaller, you bring your hand down a little bit. Check many of my videos on my Facebook, YouTube. You will have idea of different head wrap. Don't be left out. This season, I call it Operation Do It Yourself. If you want to learn makeup as well, I have videos of makeup. With explanation. It's on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. We sell makeup product in case you want to buy makeup products. We sell oil perfume. We'll post it to you wherever you are, but we don't post to Nigeria. Guys, I'm using my pin to protect that place. Now use pin to protect that place. Don't worry, but anytime you are folding your fan, if it's not that set, don't worry, continue. By the time you finish everything, you will not set it up again. Because this is Operation Do It Yourself. So the leftover, you see the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to divide it into two. I'm not going to take everything. I'm going to leave little bit on top. I will leave it on top. You see the way I leave little bit on top. Then I'm going to knot it now at the back. You remember the 20. So, and that 20, don't take everything, divide it into two as well. Because that leftover you reserve there, we are going to use it to do one design for front later. So you knot it. As you are knotting it, be careful. Make sure, just be careful so that everything will not fall off. Be careful, and you can knot it twice. You can use pin to assist. You see what I am doing? I make sure that I still have another excess at the back, because that excess I'm going to use it later for front. I'm going to use it later for front, to use this to create that something like bow on this side of it. Guys, just concentrate. All you need is concentration. I know when you want to do gele on your head is difficult, but keep doing it. We have different easy style as well. If this one is too difficult, just focus. See what I do. I take that longer one I was having at the back before, the SS. I take it under. This is the trick. Take it under, pull it, drag it, bring it out. You just bring it out. Now you will now use pin again to pin it. You see the way I take it from back. See the way I take it from back. So that one will give the gele another beauty. Yes, it's just if you can be patient and focus your eye. Don't miss any, because if you miss any minute from my video, you will not understand what is going on. So anytime you have chance, just sit down and just watch every step by step. You see now that you see the beauty. That place is now beautiful. Yes, so this side of it, I'm going to use my hand to set it up, like creating like a round, but it's not this set up round. You know, we have different type of setting up of round. So just create that shape of round, and I'm now going to use pin as well. This industry of gele, pin is needed though, so go for your pin. So I use pin to pin that place together. You see the beauty. You need to pin it together. Then I now do my setup the way I like it. Do your setup the way you like it. Guys, these days I just prefer to be using my voice on top of my video. I don't know what is going on. Even the sound music I'm using on my YouTube, I use it for almost 2 years. I was told it's not copyright because I bring it out from the music that they said it's not copyright. But I was so shocked that now YouTube said the music is not copyright. So, and I still have the same issue as well on my Facebook. Many people tell me that their music is not copyright. I even contact some of the owner of the music. They said it's not copyright. I use it, but Facebook still give me copyright. So these days I'm using my voice. This is the final. Yes, once you can achieve something like this, you are free to go. Yes, so thank you for watching. This is our service. We do makeup gele, we do all styles of gele head wrap, we do the traditional bridal hairstyle, we do the white wedding, we sell perfume, we sell makeup products. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video.